Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any software or app unable to use internet in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, let me open a Chrome web browser, right? So I'm already connected to my internet connections, so let me show you. So you can see I can browse google.com, right? So let me click on emails also to show you. So it's perfectly working now. So how you can block this software to use my internet connections. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Firewall Easy by R57 John. Just search this application, and on the first list you will see the developer website, and you can see below here Firewall Easy GitHub. Just click on it. Now you will see its official web page. So here you can see on the right side under the releases, just click on this Firewall Easy, and now you will see here just below the assets you will see here portable.zip. Just you need to download this. Just click on it. So wait for a few seconds. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to unzip this zip file. Click on extract, click on OK. So just open the extracted folder. So here you will see tons of files, right? So here you can see Firewall Easy. So this is the application. So just double click on it. Now you will see this kind of user interface, right? So in order to make any software unable to use internet, you need to add here. You can click on add here below. So let me go to this PC. Let me go to the C drive. Let me go to the program files. Let me go to Google Chrome. So let me add the Chrome web browser. Click on open. So the Chrome browser has been added here. You can add as many applications or programs here. So right now, for example, I have just added this Chrome web browser here. So after adding these applications, let us check if we can access the internet or not. Let me open the Chrome web browser again. So let me try to browse Google again. So you can see here I'm unable to use the internet while I'm using a Chrome web browser. So this application has been blocked to use the internet. So you can, by adding any applications, this program will easily make any software or applications unable to use internet in your respective Windows computer. And if you want to unblock it again, just select it, and you can just click on remove to remove it again, and after that you can access the internet again. So let me open the Chrome web browser, and let me click on Google. So you can see it's perfectly working back. So you can see here. So it's a very cool applications to make any software or app unable to use internet in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool applications, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.